funa milioni 10
Nandara Mafabi arukushaba karura abanyakiboko na Budaka yabayigisirweho President w'ekigombe cha FDC Engineer Patrick Obamriat n'abandi banyakigombe aba bashanga bahagize babo babarindira hamhanda abantu bo butosha bamushaba ko ararabemo abatere henshaho yo kutamusente z'abatarukwebasa
ndi wano ndi mwezi insomera kamonkoli mixed primary school amanya gange ambise kojo deriki kusomero batugo banyofezi bagamba government sasura basomesa me kusomero osanga musomesa okuja school fees mitwalo 2 gumo kitundu
malire ona ndala suko president ekisingo kutuluma abana basome kubanga iswala gore tukola ante misale mtoto niegero kole bibira
bagala nandala tuyambe amakubo nago timalungi buli kimu tukaba abana okusomesa ate mutola sente ku government nayo basomero ga government tutola sente.
Mafabi yaraganso kutungura ebyamagara ebyobwegese no kongeza emishara y'abashomesa
bagita grant uno bwana bwafunguna bona kusuti kuba bavude mu masomero kigenda kukoma abana abagenda mu primary 1 okugenda kutuka mu P7 kinana ku 10 nga bavudemu bobo labo batambula ku fisi kuno babera wakaba basongo omanyi kibagabayo abasomesa basomesa enjale bali bube mbwe musobola okubeera ku macho okutunda ebintu nga tona bakulya paka regular.
Omugandi Major General Gregory Mugishamuntu yasibo mu district ya Oyam hamwe na Omoro arukushaba obushagi okumutora n'ahantebe y'obwa president kandi abahagize be bamushaba okukora aha by'obuhingi n'obulisa.
Like for example, the majority of our people are peasants. 70% are in crop farming. People like 90% are very poor. If you transform them into cooperatives, around the crops which they grow, individuals cannot negotiate the best prices. Individuals are vulnerable. So the only way they can effectively negotiate good prices is to organize them around cooperatives.
Nikau betul na wana bere unu puri. Kali ni puri intena piri jatuh jem, maya juga jem ija. Iwe ke ini ni tukeri loy. Eto kau bere uni group, amau doni cooperative. Wana bere punya bera jem wate mo kowel. Iwe la wana tu mito te ya juk kera te binu te nungina ber.
So they can, with government support, they can organize themselves. Establish modern facilities for storage.
Muntaba yabagumya ku government ye erukwija kushara habeyi yebinte birokozesebwa ombyobuhingi.
Different farmers, different fisher people. People who are involved in as much as who are involved in trade.
Mugishamuntu hono myanya ndijo yone yazamo abantu bamugambira ebizo byabo kandi we yabaraganso kwija kubikoraho.